Hey buddy, what's up? So I thought I would put you together a little video just to give you a refresher. I'm not sure if you ever used Instabuilder whenever Empower had it available with the Claw 2 Premium or not, but this is the same exact thing pretty much. So I just wanted to show you how to kind of use it to make different types of pages, whatever you need to do. If you want to change the webinar page I create, whatever, however you want to do it, I figured I would just put an example together for you. That way you can kind of see what it all is and all that good stuff, right? All right, so over here, like this is the Instabuilder dashboard. So you just click over here on the left to get here. So you just go to dashboard and you're here, right? All right, so you can go to create a landing page here, right? And then over here on template type, you can see you've got sales pages, squeeze pages, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, and others, right? And then you can have a webinar sign up or a webinar thank you page. Um, and then you can also enter keywords to find different pages and stuff like that. So what I use it most for is the squeeze pages here. So you got your capture pages, boom. If you're in the health and fitness niche, you can use that one's a pretty good one. Here's another one, already built in for you, but you can change images, do whatever. It's pretty simple. I'm going to actually show you whenever I go to the webinar pages here. Um, this will be for the webinar sign up pages. And then, so like, let's see, let's go to webinar sign up. And then boom, you would have a way that you could have people opt into your webinar, so you can preview it before you decide if it's the one you want to use. So boom, you would have people sign up right here. All you would have to do is connect your email list to it. So let's say that's the one we wanted to use, right? So we'd say choose this one. All right, and that's going to create that page for us, right? So if you want to get rid of this right here, you can. All you have to do is highlight it and delete, and it's going to ask you if you really want to do that, and you say okay, and boom, that's gone. If you want to add it back, all you have to do is go here for the title element, boom, or you can do just a plain and simple text element, right? So you've got text element, you just drag it right up there. All right, so everything is drag and drop. So boom, and then you can come in here and you can edit this by just double clicking on it. You can highlight the text. Obviously, you could change the font size and all that good stuff, right? All right, so for now, I'm just going to get rid of that. And if I want to get rid of the whole element, like the whole little ribbon thing up here, all I have to do is press delete, and boom, it's gone. All right, so let's say I wanted a different background color. So I'm going to select the element. I'm going to select this little gear thing here, and I'm going to say background color, and then boom, and I can select my own, or I can enter HTML code. Like if I wanted red or something, I could say FF000. All right, so boom, got that, and then hide panel. Um, and then for speakers, you can easily change this out. You could say if you want to keep this same kind of text, just boom, boom. Let me put some respect on your name. There we go. All right, so Dr. Wade Baskin here, and then if you had a guest speaker, boom, you could have them right here. Then to change this image, you just click on the image, click on the gear, and then boom, upload image, and then you just find one from your image library to upload. So boom, and then use image, and boom, right? Then you can write a little short tidbit about yourself, whatever you want to write about there. Then you can change your date here. Something I like to do too is add a countdown timer in. So I can say boom and add me a countdown timer right here. Then I can select um, how much time I want to be on that timer. So I might say you only have 20 minutes to sign up or 17 minutes or something like that, right? So then boom, that's done. All right, and then you could just have whatever to enter their name and email, and to do your email opt-in code, all you do is select the element, do your settings, boom, and then what you would use is So you go over to your get response or Aweber or whatever it is, right? And you would say, uh, go to your sign up forms for whatever list it is. So this one happens to be this one. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to install on form, raw version of the HTML, uncheck the box, boom, copy that, and I'll take this back out, but boom, you just paste it into that box and click on process. That's going to do that for you. So if you, when you come into this page, you can click on uh, that to get it done. So let me do that, and let's see. No, it's not going to let me. All right, so you just want to change that code out on that opt-in. You can also change the button. So you can say this is going to be your button here. So I want to edit the button. So I could change my button text. So I could change what it says here, the font, all that good stuff. I can change the button style from flat to glossy. Um, I can change the colors. So I might do like a green. Boom. And then you can also do the hover state colors. So whenever they're hovering over the button, then it would just change colors. So boom, so like that. All right, and you can change the text color, all that good stuff. You can put an icon, so boom. And if you don't want it before, you can do it after, and you would do, obviously something like that. All right, whatever you want to do, but very simple. I mean, as you can see, it's just drag and drop. Very simple to use. Very simple to set up pages at the drop of, push of a button. If you drag and drop elements over here. So you have different combo elements here. So if you want to add different stuff, you can easily do that. Or you can just go back to the basic elements and it'll tell you what all of these elements are. So if you want to add a button, opt-in form, social share, anything like that, right? You can even add comments. So I could have comments come in. Um, you have to, where do I have comments at here? All right, comments. So you have to make sure that the element is actually inside of a container. So boom, I can drop them right there. And I can say, add these comments or whatnot. All right. So there's a few more things you'll need to know. So you'll want to change your permalink. So you'll say webinar sign up, right? Or hangout sign up or whatever it might be. All right, you can change that link at any time you want. It'll just change it. Then you want to come over here to page settings. So you want to come to page settings and you want to say Hangout with Dr. Wade. All right, and then you can enter your description that shows up in Google here and your keywords here, right? Probably not going to have a lot of description or a lot of keywords. Then you can do some advanced stuff here. I wouldn't mess with that if I were you. You can mess with the page width here, the typography, the background color, all that good stuff over here in the page settings. But you definitely want to make sure that your title um, is in there, right? And then once you're done, all you have to do is click on save. And once you've saved it, you just want to publish it, right? And then you can go back to your dashboard. It's always going to ask you if you want to leave or not. And then let me see if I can refresh this, if your page will show up. All right, boom. So there's your page. So if we go to this now, waybaskin.com/webinar sign up, boom, we can make any adjustments necessary to that page, right? So what you're probably going to want to do, I can do for you though, but let's see, let's go with a video. Let me make sure we've got a video page here. All right, so we'll look at the video sales pages. Boom, here's one right here that we can use. We'll just choose it, right? All right, so this will be like your Hangout page. So if you have a logo that you want to add or anything like that, you can add that right here. If not, you can add some text. If you don't want to do either one, you can just delete it. You can change this bar color, like I said, and you can add text up here if you want. Whatever you want to do there. You can add your headline here, and then your webinar is going to go right here, right? All right, and then boom, here's another cool thing. So if I want this element to come in at a certain time, right? So if I want it to come in at a certain time during the Hangout, all I have to do is go to that element, and I can say display delay, right? So I can enable that so that it's going to pop in at the 30-minute mark, right? So about 30 minutes into my Hangout, I can have that is going to come in, right? That button. So I can hide this panel. So once somebody's been on the page for 30 minutes, it's going to slide that button in, right? So you can also change the display animation to bounce in. So you can say I want to bounce it in from the left when it does come in, whatever you want to do, right? And then if you want to put your affiliate link in, boom, this is where that goes for the target link. All you have to do is click on this button, click on settings, set all of that stuff up right here, right? All right, and we'll get rid of this stuff here. We'll just delete it so we don't need it. So we can just get rid of whatever we don't need. All right, delete that, delete this. Okay, so then there you have your Hangout page set up, right? So like I said, just want to change this text right here. You want to change this to your headline for whatever your Hangout topic is or whatnot. Let's go change this real quick. 2017. All that stuff's good. All right, so boom, there's your Hangout page. All you have to do is make an adjustment to that and that. Right now, if you want to change this every week, let me change this permalink real quick. All right, let's change it to Hangout with Dr. Wade. All right, boom. Like I said, you could change that permalink at any time. All you have to do is go to Edit Permalink. All right. So then page settings. Hang out with Dr. Wade. All right. Save this, and we're going to publish this. All right. All right. So now let's go back out to the dashboard. Let me refresh this again. All right. So boom, Hang out with Dr. Wade is here. All right. So let's go. If we want to edit it, all we have to do is click on this edit button here, and boom, you can edit it that way, right? Now let's say that you want to create a new Hangout page. You want it to have the same look and feel as that one. All you're going to do is click on this little gear icon, drop down, and duplicate that page, right? So what that's going to do is it's going to go create you another page that looks exactly like that one. So let's say you wanted to have a new Hangout page each time. That way you could put have automated webinars in your follow-up series, right? So one week you might talk about one topic. Boom, the next week for the Hangout link, you're going to send them to this one, right? Just go in here, edit this page, and all you're going to do is change your permalink, your topic here, or whatever, your catchy headline. You can either leave this or not. That's totally up to you. You can change that color, whatever. Um, so you're going to change your permalink here. So maybe you'll use the date. Hang out with Dr. Wade, 7/5/17. All right. Okay. Or whatever you want to use. It don't matter. Whatever. Just change that to whatever you need it to be. Go to page settings, page title, delete this copy thing, delete that date, and boom, you are back in business. Save that and visit the page. So boom, this is our second Hangout page. It looks exactly like the first. Like I said, this button's going to pop in at 30-minute mark. You could change that to whatever you like. You don't even have to have a display effect at all, right? All right, so for your comments, if you want to put comments in, you can put them right here. All right, and boom. Now you may need to have a web app, Facebook app to be able to use this comment right here. If you do, we'll get you a solution for that, right? So let's save that. All right, let's go back out to your dashboard. Let me go back to that first page, or first Hangout page. Let me throw you some comments in there. Boom. Save that. All right, and that's it. You're in business for a Hangout sign up page. You got two Hangout pages already created. If you want to delete any of these, all you have to do is click on your gear icon and delete pages, right? So that's all you'll have to do. And if I ever send you some pages, like I can create pages with my Instabuilder and then I can send them to you. All you have to do is import them from right here. So you just go to import and you would find the .ib file on your computer for where I send you, right? And then you'll just import now. And then that'll automatically import that page template into here and create you a page. So I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope it's been useful to you. Um, but yeah, this is Instabuilder. You can create all kinds of pages, funnels, all that kind of stuff. So the way I have mine set up, I'll just show you very briefly. I have an entire funnel set up, like I said, for a training series that I did that I put together. So my Instabuilder here, I can go here and you can see your stats and all that good stuff. So this is for like the last 2 weeks or something that it's going to show you stats for. And then boom, you can see like my entire funnel here. So it all starts out with the capture page. So I go like this. I go capture page here. All right. And then like you could do two-step opt-ins. So boom, and then it's just going to pop up like that, right? So if you ever want to do that, that's a whole different video altogether. It's very simple to do though. And then you've got step one, step two, step three, step four, and I just kept them uniform just like I showed you. So boom, these are like just automated training videos that I put together. All right. So boom, step two, step three, step four. This is the thank you page for whenever they sign up for my email, right? So whenever they sign up for my list, boom, they go to the thank you page. They get started on step one, and I tell them to check their spam folder, all that good stuff. All right. All right, so that's it. That's how you would build a funnel with Instabuilder. Showed you how to put your opt-in code in, all that good stuff. You got your Hangout page set up, all that good stuff. So if you need anything, brother, hit me up, and I'm always here for you. Anything you need. Um, yeah. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and I hope that you get some use out of it. I'll talk to you soon, man.